I am Rashmi from Mumbai. I am a company secretary and a law graduate, having almost 10 years of working experience. And currently, I'm working with Labour India as a legal manager and company secretary. So to start with, after completing my graduation, since I was working, not having much time for freelancing and all, and also because I was not much aware of the freelancing opportunities which are available. So never tried before it. And just I would like to highlight that when I joined this course of LawSikho, they introduced me to some platforms wherein they have helped us from registration and all. So then only I got to know that okay, there is something called legal freelancing which are also available, and now I'm using it, very much used to with the platform. And it's going good in the field of freelancing. So I can say legal freelancing is a good opportunity for every legal person who want to go into this field. Regarding upskilling on day-to-day basis, I serve some few of the websites like Ministry of Corporate Affairs site, Ministry of this 𝗕𝗵𝗴𝗶 sites. I have due to company secretarial profile, I have sometimes to visit with. Then I have to go to the RBI websites and few legal websites as well for time to time update what's happening in the legal world as well. So that's how I update myself in day-to-day basis. So regarding freelancing things, again, I would say that after LawSikho course joining only, I came to know about legal freelancing. And yes, through freelancing websites, we come to know about that there are lots of opportunities which are available for the law students. It's not only the corporate law or few law which we generally come across in our day-to-day life. Through LawSikho website, I was introduced for a few freelancing websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and 2-3 others are there, which I'm not frequently using, to be honest with. So when I log in, especially to Upwork, I came to know that there are a lot of areas which are available for law students, and I have enrolled for Master Access. So that's how I have access to all the laws which are prevailing in India and abroad as well. So once you see the opportunities which are available on freelancing platforms, I immediately go to my Master Access, and wherein I can have access to almost 107 courses, I suppose, and to the relevant fields where I just see what are available on the jobs and whether it is there in my modules. That's how I just become more confident that yes, I can do this work because I have a ready-made backup available with me. So that's how I can say LawSikho has helped me to introduce me that what are the freelancing platforms available and how we can go ahead with it. I got my first project on 23rd of September. I would never forget this date. And it was just after 1.5 months of joining this platform. Again, this I would like to highlight because I'm a working professional and personal life also we are so busy. So I give very less time to my freelancing website. But if somebody devotes time, it's not that tough what we were earlier used to hear from others, like no, it's very difficult to get opportunities and all. But practically it's not like that. Even if I devote 1 hour in a day for my freelancing websites, it will definitely turn into something good, which I had not expected earlier. So even after I think 1.5 months of joining, I was hardly devoting time to my freelancing websites. But now I'm starting, now I'm getting some responses from the website, freelancing website. That's how it's helping me. When we are into our graduations, law and masters and all, it's all about theoretical things. Nothing is practical we learn during our law courses. So 𝗨𝗡𝗂 is basically the providing the same things which Indian law colleges are supposed to. 𝗨𝗡𝗂 is just providing the practical aspects of which is very much required for all the law students who are doing law from India. And 𝗨𝗡𝗂, after joining 𝗨𝗡𝗂, definitely I have realized my potential that yes, I can do it. Although I had practical and theoretical aspects, but I was not much confident that whether I can do the things what I have never done before, although I have read it in my courses. So after joining 𝗨𝗡𝗂, as I said earlier, that I am a student of Master Access, having access to almost 107 courses. So I'm now very much confident. If I start some project, I'm confident I can go to the respective module. I can see what all are available pertaining to that work. And that's how I become much more confident what I was before. So that's how, thanks to 𝗨𝗡𝗂, and it took almost 1.5 years for me to analyze whether I should go with it or not. But now I have realized that I'm too late to decide that I should have joined it much before what I joined now. So far, I have worked on only one project, so it's $50 I have earned for my first project, and the same client has given me few more assignments which I am working on currently. Till now, I have drafted investors agreement, one memorandum of understanding between the financer and a startup, and the proposed one is I have to draft one employment agreement between it's kind of tripartite agreement between financer, a company, and an employee. So far, it's going good. It's a very good platform for people who don't want to get into the regular routine work. It's a good platform to go with freelancing. A lot of benefits are there. Few benefits are like, I can definitely say, you have your own time. Whenever you want to work, you have to work. It's not like there is some compulsion that you have to be particular with your time. One major thing being a working and being a female, it's a very good platform again that you can choose your time to work. The most important thing with freelancing is you're not stuck to a particular area. You have a number of opportunities to grow into different varieties of work are there. Whatever you want to get into, you can get into through this freelancing platform only. Because in general, if we say I have not done this before, it's not practical that you will get into, because nowadays wherever the opportunities are there, people say if you have this background, then only you can come into it. For freelancing, you can at least give a try to the new areas with your knowledge, and yeah, it definitely works. So it's a very good area to enlarge your skills, knowledge, as well as to upgrade yourself. It's a very good platform. Yes, definitely. A lot of varieties. I see, I mean, on regular basis, if I surf to the freelancing website for legal, I think even litigation, not litigation, it's like contract drafting parts, hardly 2 or 3 domains are matching. It's like one opportunity is there if related to employment, another one is relating to NDA, third one is relating to terms and policies. It's kind of thing. I mean, varieties of things are there. As I said earlier, that it is from different aspects. Whatever we have read theoretically, that will definitely come into practical life if we get much into. The more time we devote in freelancing, the more we'll get into this legal work through freelancing websites. Yes, definitely. I would request every student who are doing law currently, or who has plan in future, or maybe they are students, working professional, whosoever they are, if they want to increase their domain and they want to gain knowledge in legal field, they should definitely give a try at first for this legal freelancing platform, because this is the way wherein you can grow further. The regular corporates, based on my experience, you will be just doing the particular things which you have been doing for last long time. There is hardly any chance that you will get to know the new things. which you have never worked before, because nowadays everything is based on experience. But through this legal freelancing, definitely you should try. You'll get to know a lot of opportunities are there for legal person which you're not aware of before joining this LawSikho course. To be very frank, this is a platform which gives you realize your potentials, that what you are, and then you will have at some point of time definitely you will have a regret that why I have not joined this when I was a student. And I'm talking about the working professional. If I have joined now, where I have definitely a regret why I have not joined it before, so that I could have done much more better what I am currently. So every law student should definitely give a try for this freelancing platform at once.